Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
How are you? How are you progressing in mentorship? How's it going? How's it going? So everything you need, though, is included in the mentorship program to learn this business. I've left nothing off the table. Again, that's why I keep saying 2025, no more excuses. If you really want to do it, this is the place to learn. If you're serious about your business, okay? I can't say it any other way. If you're not serious, then I don't know what you should do. But if you are serious about your business, we would love to be on your journey with you. Tamla says, I'm doing well. Really enjoyed the lesson on loan signings. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Tamla. I appreciate it. And our loan signing course, it's also included. I forgot that one, girl. Thank you. I forgot loan signing. Even loan signing is included. Every single thing you need. And the loan signing course will help to prepare you for the NNA test. So that's another thing I want to talk about really quick, because since that came up, it was on my mind for another video, but I'm going to just say it right now, whatever. Because I can talk about the same thing every day. I get new people here. But really quick, because I just heard somebody also say, and I bring these things to you because I know if I'm watching, if I hear it, you're hearing it too. You don't have nobody to talk about it with. You're like, really? Is it like that? So I'm here to straighten it out for you, okay? One person gonna give you their view. I'm gonna give you my view, okay? Tamla says she's in an attorney state also. Yeah, but you can make money in an attorney state. So, that's not an obstacle. Will it change things a little bit? Yeah, right? But it doesn't mean you can't do it, There are people who are disabled who can't play in the NBA, right? But they still play ball. They just have to play it differently. So it's the same thing as a notary. It's not as extreme as that, it's serious. But my point being is, yeah, it's always going to be something you can't do. But is there a workaround? Do you know how to get around it? Sometimes there's a workaround. Sometimes there's not. There's not, okay? But my other piece is, I heard recently someone saying that you don't need the NNA. So see, Tamla can do Ron in her attorney state. So each person's state is different, but you still, at the end of the day, need to know how to be a great notary. Okay, to do remote online notary, to do anything, it all starts by being a great notary, knowing how to stamp that paper. Okay. So anyway, I've been hearing a lot of people say you don't need the NNA certification. Technically, you don't need the NNA certification, okay? People only want to know that you're a notary and you know what you are doing. That's it. So you do not need the NNA certification. But however, I'm going to always tell you to get the NNA certification. Why? Because it gives you a whole nother stream of income. There are certain signing companies that will not work with you without the NNA background. Hey, Hyra, what's up, girl? How's mentorship going? I haven't seen you in a couple weeks. How you doing? Yeah, so there are certain companies that will not work with you if you do not have your NNA certification. So why would you not spend $100 and get the certification? Quit being scared of the test. Start with our mentorship program. Take the loan signing with Alexis, her video, and then let's go over there and let's do the thing, okay? Let's get the NNA certification so you can have another stream of income. Not getting the NNA certification is cutting off a whole nother stream of revenue for you, because certain companies, again, they're not going to touch you without it. They want to know, are you NNA certified? Now, are they going to ask you that when they call you? No. But there's like when you're trying to sign it with signingorder.com, that's a direct question. Are you NNA certified? Can you produce the background check? All right. So I'm gonna always tell you straight up, I have no reason not to. I'm gonna always counteract the negativity and the crazy that I hear. Like I was talking about earlier, people telling you not to be a notary, but they're a notary. That one is hilarious because I've talked about that a few times. You're a notary, but you're telling me don't do it. It's not good for you, but I'm over here killing the game. Does that make sense to you? Even me being an attorney state, I have people say, well, Kimmi, how are you a notary? Like questioning me. How are you a notary in an attorney state? Well, clearly I'm doing something right. I've been here almost 5 years on YouTube, almost 4 here, doing my business for 5 or 6. I teach people nationwide. I know what to do. Okay. And I'm not being funny when I say that. I really do know what to do. I had to teach myself. I learned from other people and I want to teach you. It's really just that simple. So I don't have nothing to lose either way. Hey, excellent. Loving your content. Thank you, Hyra. I appreciate it. Latrice says signing companies want to see NNA credentials. They do. It's just as simple as that. They want to see it. And if you want to work with them, you got to go do what they want. And it's not asking that much, guys. NNA certification is $100, maybe $200 in some states. My state is $99. It used to be $79, I think, when I started. Now it's $99. If I'm not mistaken, some states are, like I said, about $200, $179, $150. But so what if I can make $5,000, $10,000? Not a month, but even if I make that a year, okay? If you do 4 signings a month at $50, that's $200. So $200 a month times 12 is $2,400, okay? Can you do something with an extra $200 a month? Could that pay your gas bill? Could that pay your light bill? Could that pay your cell phone bill? I just did a whole thing about field inspection. I got a field inspection course that's included in mentorship. I don't know if you knew that or not, but you can buy all the courses separately. You don't have to do mentorship. You can buy them separately at your however you want to, and that is coupon code WIN2025, WIN2025 at notaryeducatorsllc.com, 60% off. So you can buy any of the courses that you want, wedding officiant, whatever you want at your leisure, how you want to buy it, or you can do mentorship, whichever you prefer, okay? So just take your time and pick. Javonna, hey Javonna, how are you? What's up? What's up? Honey Babe says, hey Kimmi, I haven't caught you live in so long. Hi. Yes, hey there. The fame flies. Hey Dominique, what's up? What's up? We got a lot of mentees here. How y'all doing? What's going on? How you liking mentorship? Let me know. So we got a lot of new people that just joined the live. I'm gonna hang out 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Latrice says field inspection companies want NNA credentials too. So I've not seen that, Latrice. I actually have a field inspection course. I'm a field inspector. Also, I do field inspection, rather, I should say. Giovanna says, I absolutely love it. Thank you, Giovanna. Appreciate it. The fame flies, which is Dominique, says she is loving the mentorship program too. I'm so happy for you guys. I think I'm gonna do a special live tomorrow night. I'll put it over in the chat because we had a session on Monday night, and I don't like it when we go a whole another week before we talk again, face to face. So I think I might do a special tomorrow night. So I'll put that over in chat though for you guys. Okay. So Honey Babe says, I got my commission February 14th. Remember you telling me to join after I got it? Yes, because I do, Honey Babe. I like calling you that. I like you to get your commission first. A lot of times people say, Kimmi, I want to join the program. I want to join the program. And it's not that I don't want you to join. I do want you to join, but I compare it to getting your car and you don't have a driver's license. So I like you to get your commission first, and then you can come join the program. I'm going to be here. I'm just trying to sell mentorships. I want you to do it the right way. I have people all day long. Hey, I want to join mentorship. And I want you to, again, but you got to do it the right way. For me, we're going step by step. Get your commission. Okay. Then you can come over and get mentorship and get training. Don't go out and buy the car. You ain't got a driver's license. Okay. So I'm glad you listened to me. And as you can see, we're still here and it's so worth it.